Assalamualaikum everyone. So after the FAB, here is now the agreement or the agreement, the CAV, the Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro. So babasahin ko lang ito ang mga nilalaman itong CAV. The Comprehensive Agreement of the Bangsamoro or the CAV consolidates and affirms the understanding and the commitment between the government of the Philippines and the Moro Islamic Liberation Front, herein referred to as the parties. The peace and negotiation began in the Philippines in January 1997, then continued under the facilitation of the government of Malaysia beginning 2001 and led the signing of the Framework Agreement on the Bangsamoro in October 2012 and the completion of its attached document in January 1914. The underlying the CAB is the recognition of the justness and legitimacy of the cause and the Bangsamoro people and their aspiration to chart their political future through the democratic process that shall ensure all entity and the posterity and allow for a meaningful self-governance. Then, the Comprehensive Agreement is a product of the pursuit for the solution to the Bangsamoro question with honor, justice, and dignity for all concerned. It ends the armed hostilities between the two parties and provides for the negotiated political settlement of the Bangsamoro question, thereby ending the armed conflict between the government of the Philippines and the MILF and promoting peace and stability in this part of the world. The parties acknowledge the responsibility to uphold the principles of justice. They commit to protect and enhance the right of the Bangsamoro people and other inhabitants in the Bangsamoro to human dignity, reduce social, economic, and political inequalities, correct historical injustice committed against the Bangsamoro, and remove cultural inequities through the agreed modalities aimed at equitably diffusing wealth and political power for the common good. So now the agreements. Following the agreements between the parties appended hereto constitute integral parts of these comprehensive agreements. Number 1, Agreement of the General Cessation of Hostilities signed on 18 July 1997 in Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines. Number 2, the General Framework of Agreement of Intent between the Government of the Republic of the Philippines and the Moro Islamic Liberation Front signed on August 27, 1998 in Sultan Kudarat, Maguindanao, Philippines. Third, Agreement of the General Framework on the Resumption of Peace Talks signed on March 24, 2001 in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Then fourth, the Agreement of Peace between the Government, the Republic of the Philippines, and the Moro Islamic Liberation Front signed on June 22, 2001 in Tripoli, Libya. Fifth, the Declaration of Continuity for Peace Negotiations between the Government, the Republic of the Philippines, and the Moro Islamic Liberation Front signed June 3, 2010 in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Then GPS MILF decision points on principles as of April 2012, signed 24 April 12, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Then number 7, the Framework Agreement the Bangsamoro initiated on October 12, 2012 in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia and signed October 15, 2012 in Manila, Philippines. Number 8, annexed to the transitional agreements and modalities signed on February 27, 2013, also in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Number 9, Annex to Revenue Generation and Wealth Sharing signed on 13 July 2013, also in Kuala Lumpur, in Malaysia. Then Annex on Power Sharing signed on December 8, 2013, also in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. 11th, Annex on Normalization on 25th January 2014, also in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Then Annex on Normalization on January 25, 2014, also on Kuala Lumpur. Yes, tapos na. Then the Addendum, December 12, on the Bangsamoro Waters and Zones of the Joint Cooperation signed on January 25, 2014 in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. If you notice, ito na yung binanggit natin sa FAB. Then ito, may asignatory na sa CAV. Then, supplementary to the CAV are the various agreements, guidelines, and terms of reference and joint statement duly signed and acknowledged by the parties in the course of negotiation between the two parties beginning in 1997. Then the parties commit to honor, respect, and implement all these past agreements and supplementary documents signed by them as further elaborated the framework agreement of the Bangsamoro and its annexes. So yung the previous natin na FAB na pinilisan ko sa'yo. Then part of it is the acknowledgement of this CAB. The party expressed their gratitude to a very important role of the Malaysia as the third-party facilitator and the head of mission of the International Monitoring Team, or the IMT. Then the International Contact Group composed of Japan, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, United Kingdom, Center for Humanitarian Dialogue, Community of San Egidio, Consolation Resources, Muhammadiyah, and the Asia Foundation. Then members of the IMT named the Brunei, Indonesia, Japan, Libya, Norway, and the European Union and its civilian protection, composed of the Mindanao Human Rights Action Center, Mindanao People's Caucus, the Muslim Organization, the government officials and professionals, and the Non-Violent Peace Force. Fourth acknowledgement, the Organization of the Islamic Cooperation as observer of the GPH-MILF negotiation. Then the fifth, the third-party monitoring team chaired by the eminent person from the European Union, with members from the Asia Foundation and the Turkish Humanitarian Relief Foundation and the two leaders of the local civil society organization. Then number 6, the Independent Commission on Policing, composed of international experts from Canada, Australia, Japan, and the local experts selected by the parties. Then the parties give special appreciation to His Excellency President Benigno Simeone Aquino III for his leadership, and to the MILF Central Committee headed by the Chair Al-Haj Murad Ibrahim, our former Prime Minister, then the Chief Minister, and for their continued commitment to the peaceful resolution of the Bangsamoro question. Likewise, the parties expressed their sincere gratitude to the government of Malaysia and His Excellency Prime Minister Dato Shirhaz Mo Najib bin Ton and Haj Abdul Radzak for his support to the GPH-MILF peace talks. The parties also thank the international community and the local and national civil society organizations for the steadfast support that they have extended to the peace process in their different capacities. They also commend the Bangsamoro Transition Commission as they earnestly work towards the completion of the draft basic law. Then they also acknowledge the crucial role by the two parties coordinating committees on the cessation of hostilities and the ad hoc joint action group in preventing hostilities, supporting the efforts to keep the peace on the ground and maintaining the environment conducive to continuing education. Then the principles of the implementation. The parties acknowledge the identity and legitimate grievances of the Bangsamoro. In the same vein, they affirm the commitment to mutually respect the right to one's identity and the parity of esteem of everyone in the political community. Both parties pledge to continue to conduct multi-sectoral dialogues and consultation, take into account the concerns of the stakeholders, generate broad-based support, and ensure wide participation in the various mechanisms and processes that shall be instituted. Then working other groups and sectors, the two parties shall ensure the establishment the new Bangsamoro political entity that will protect the individual, collective rights and be truly democratic representative of the diversity of the populace and the accountability of the communities therein. Then the mechanisms and modalities of the actual implementation of this comprehensive agreement, the Bangsamoro, including the ratification of the Bangsamoro Basic Law pursuant to Article 5, territory of the framework agreement of the Bangsamoro, are spelled out herein. The parties shall mutually take such steps for its full implementation, leading to the establishment of the Bangsamoro Transition Authority and the regular Bangsamoro government, the gradual normalization of the previously conflict-affected areas, and their transformation into peaceful and progressive communities. The parties also commit to faithfully abide by, honor, respect, implement, and entrench their agreements and nurture the integrity of the whole peace process. Then an exit agreement shall be crafted and signed by both parties when all agreements have been fully implemented. And then on this 27th of March in the year 2014 in Manila, Philippines, signed the chairperson of the GPH panel, Miriam Coronel Ferrer, and signed by the MILF panel chairperson, Muhajir Iqbal. So, ito yung sinasabi natin na agreement. So, another signatory, Sinen Bakani, the panel member from the government. Then Dato Michael Mastura, panel member from the MILF. Then Yasmin Busran Lau, the panel member from the GPH. Then Maulana Bobby Alonto, the panel member from MILF. Then another signatory, Himolke Sadain from the government panel. Then Abud Said Linga, the panel from the MILF. Then Zinonida Brosas, the consultant from the government, I think. Then Abdullah Kamilian, the panel member of the MILF. Then you have the alternate panel member, Dato Antonio Kinok, and the witness of this signatory, Tinku Dato Gafar Tinku Mohammed, the Malaysian facilitator, in the presence of Teresita Quintos de Lis, the OPAP presidential advisor of the peace process. Ngayon, OPAP Pro na yan kasi. Then, Al-Haj Murad Ibrahim, the chair of the More Islamic Liberation Front. Then, of course, it was signed the presence of Benigno Aquino, Simeon Aquino, the former president of the Philippines, then Dato Sri Hajmo Najib Tun Haj Abdul Razak, the Prime Minister of Malaysia. So, I hope na-refresh tayo from FAB to CAB. So, God bless everyone. Dalaygon ang